Hello, my name is Keshwani. There's Keshwani, Keshwani. We are here because we want to improve our algebraic skill, because we want to learn algebra. Today is our lesson number 33, day number 33. We've been learning how to add and subtract like terms from day number 21. Today is our day number 33, and our job is to find the sum of the expressions that I'm going to put on the blackboards. Here we go. 3w cubed plus 4w to the fourth plus w fifth minus 3w to the fifth plus 5w to the third plus 3w to the fourth plus 7w to the fifth minus 7w to the fourth plus 7w cubed. So these three expressions, our job is to add these three expressions. Very first thing we have to do is, since we see these w's here, or it doesn't matter what variable it is, whether it's w or x or y or a or b or c, we see a variable here with various exponents, various degrees of exponents. Very first thing we need to do is arrange these exponents either in the ascending order or descending order, either in increasing order of the power from the lowest one we have is the cube. See, right, this is only arranged in the descending order, or rather ascending order, from 3 to 4 to 5 is increasing, but all of them are not lined up properly. So we have to either arrange them in the ascending order or descending order. This is ascending order, it's going up. My habit, and it's preferred to put them in the descending order. You start with the largest power first. So that's what I'm going to do. That's just my habit. Let's put them in the bottom here because it's going to get too crowded there. Let's put them here. So the first one here, w to the fifth, then 4w to the fourth, and then 3w cubed. Let's go to the next expression. This is w to the fifth, there are negative 3 of them. Then we have 3w to the fourth. Then we have 5w cubed. We have 7w to the fifth, negative 7w to the fourth, and positive 7w to the third. Now that they're all lined up, all we have to do is add up the exponents. Very simple, very straightforward. And let's see what we get when we do that. This is since there is no coefficient here, it is 1 with a positive sign here. Where did this come from? Right here. There is only one of them. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5w to the fifth. Then we have, oh, this is interesting. Positive 4 and a positive 3 is positive 7. Positive 7 and a negative 7 is 0. So this whole thing drops out. These three, positive 3 and positive 4, positive 7 cancels out with this one. So here there is nothing. There is nothing. And here we have 8 plus 5 is 15. 15w to the third. That's it. Now, we could leave the answer the way it is. The part that I'm about to do is extra, it's not necessary. We could leave the answer the way it is. The answer the way it stands right now is 5w to the fifth plus 15w to the third. We could leave it the way it is and it's fine, but if you want to be elegant in your answer, if you want to be very refined, then the proper way to do is to simplify this thing, put it in a more simpler form. If there is anything common, here I see a 5 and here I see a 15, which means we can take out the 5 common. Here I see w raised to fifth and w raised to third, which means w raised to 3 can be taken out common. And if you take out w raised to 3 common, 5w to the fifth, 5 is already out. W to the fifth divided by w cubed is squared. So w squared goes here. And then here 15 divided by 5 is 3 and w cubed is already out. So that's it, that's your answer. That's our final answer. That's our final answer. And notice that if you were to open the parenthesis, 5 times w cubed and w to the second is going to give you 5 w to the fifth, and then 5 times 3 is going to give us 15 w cubed. There we go. But that part, as I said, was unnecessary. That's not what our job here is right now. I'm jumping ahead of the curve here, but I couldn't resist the urge. Let's do one more, shall we? Let's do one more problem. We are done with this one. My original plan, my original hope was to done with this topic in 10 days, but it doesn't look like it. We're already up to day number 33, and I still have quite a few more to go, and I don't want to leave out anything. So if it takes time, then so be it. We want to learn it properly. By the time we are done, it will be a complete course in algebra for anybody to learn. Just go in sequence from day 1 until whatever day it ends at, day 100, whatever it is. Make sure you do every single problem, and you will learn algebra. Next one. 3a cubed minus 7b cubed minus 4a squared b plus 2b cubed minus 9b squared, this is 2b squared, minus 9b cubed rather, plus 5a cubed plus 5a squared b plus 3b squared. And then we have negative 4a cubed, negative 7a squared b, negative 5b squared, and 16b cubed. They are written all over the place. They have to be arranged in proper order. Proper like terms have to line up before we can do anything with it. We cannot add up these expressions the way they are written. A cubed has to be lined up with a cubed, b cubed has to be lined up with b cubed, b squared has to be lined up with b squared. Everything has to be lined up properly. So we need to rearrange them, we need to rewrite them. Let's get going then. 3a cubed, we're going to go in the ascending order, or rather descending order of a power of a cubed, then a squared, then so forth, and then b and so forth. So we have a cubed, now the a squared, minus 4a squared b, then plus 2b squared and 7b cubed. Now why did I write in this order? Why did we write in this order? Because here we have a power of 3 for a, here we have a power of 2, here, is there an a here? Yeah, it could be argued that there is a here. Here 2b squared with the power of 0. Same thing here, 7b cubed with the power of 0 for a. Any number raised to 0 equals 1. 5 raised to 0 equals 1, 13 raised to 0 equals 1, 113 raised to equals 0, 1, negative 5 raised to 0 equals 1. So here a raised to 0 is just 1, so 2b squared times 1 is your 2b squared. Same thing can be argued here. Here is the power of 0. 7b cubed times a raised to 0. So you have a to the third, a to the second. We have no a by itself, a to the first power, and then the b squared and b cubed. Now that we have the first one arranged properly, we just have to line up the rest. So a cubed, here is your 9, no, positive 5, a cubed, negative 9, b squared, b cubed, we already took care of this one, positive 5, a squared, b, and then positive 3b squared, negative 7, a squared b, negative 4 a cubed, negative 5, oh this is a b squared, you see you have to be careful, negative 5 b squared, and 16 b cubed. If you do not line up the like terms properly, you will never get the right answer. That's what it is. Learning how to add and subtract like terms. I'm going to erase all of this thing, or perhaps we don't need to. So here we have positive 3 and a positive 5, that's positive 8, and a negative 4, so that's a positive 4a cubed. Then we have negative 4 and negative 4 and positive 5, that's positive 1, and a negative 7, that's negative 6 a squared b. Then we have positive 2 and positive 3, which is positive 5 and a negative 5 is 0, so this whole thing drops out. Then we have negative 7 and negative 9, which is negative 16, and we have positive 16, so this thing drops out. That's it, that's our answer. That's it. 4a cubed minus 6a squared b. 4a cubed minus 6a squared b. You can leave it the way it is if you like, or you can put it in a more refined manner. 4a cubed and a 4a, I see 6a squared. A is common here and 2's can be common here. So we can take out 2 common, and a squared can be taken out from here. So if you take out a squared common, 4a cubed divided by 2a squared, this will be 2, and a squared will cancel out with this, and we're left with 2a. As you can see, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 2 is 4, and a squared times a is a cubed, minus 3, because 2 times 3 is 6, right here. A squared is already out, so it's b. So the final answer is, this, right here. Two a squared times 2a minus 3b. That's it. That's all for today. We're done. I will see you tomorrow on day number 34. I hope to finish this topic by the time we get to day number 40. As I said, I have made a few problems there, and I don't want to skip any of them. I want to do all of them, so that's what we're doing. Do it once, do it right, and be done with it. I don't want to do sort of a half-hearted job. We'll do all the problems that I have. That's it. I'll see you tomorrow on day number 34. If you wish to get hold of me, you can send me an email from any of these website addresses that you see there, or you can call me up on the toll-free number that you find on the website, or you can go to keshwaniprep.com and send me an email from there, or you can find the phone number there. Alright? Thanks.